Ahead of Xiaomi's big event on September 24th, the company revealed more details about the upcoming Mi Mix Alpha. This will, in fact, be the successor to the Mi Mix 3, and will offer a radically different design compared to its predecessor. Several teaser posters were published on the company's Weibo profile, giving small hints at which we can expect at next week's event. Xiaomi has now released new teaser posters that suggest the upcoming Mi Mix series phone will debut under the Mi Mix Alpha name, instead of the Mi Mix 5G moniker. The company has also shared a teaser image of a phone, purportedly the Mi Mix Alpha, flaunting a dramatically curved display that wraps around the edges, and might even hit the 100% screen-to-body ratio mark, becoming the first phone to do so. This means the phone's display will sport a very pronounced curve on the side similar to that of the waterfall screen on the Vivo Nex 3. The last teaser hints that the Mix Alpha will bring the highest screen-to-body ratio in Xiaomi's lineup. Xiaomi's latest teaser poster for the Mi Mix Alpha shows the side of a phone with a curved display that completely wraps around the phone's edges. In an official Weibo post, Xiaomi revealed that the next Mi Mix series phone is named after the character Alpha. Another poster clearly shows the silhouette of a phone with a 100% screen-to-body ratio. With 4 days left until the event, we'll likely see more teasers, which will give us a clearer picture of what to come from the Mix Alpha. So let us wait until its launch to get more crystal clear view of the device. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.